My name is Seelig, and I'm currently doing a PhD in Ed Hoover's lab focusing on chronic wasting disease, which is a prion disease out here in Colorado largely, but sort of Western United States, Canada, etc. So I chose here because of the record. So CSU has a very good record and a very well-established combined pathology residency PhD program, and I chose it because I was interested in infectious disease, and that's a big focus here at CSU is infectious disease. I had read some of Dr. Hoover's research and was interested in chronic wasting disease, a disease in which very little was known and we're still sort of slowly evolving. So it seemed like the best opportunity to sort of step into a program and work in a system that was sort of rife for potential discovery. And it had the most sort of animal-based model interaction kind of project designs that we could work on. So it seemed like it was pathology at its basic in terms of we know what causes this disease, but there's a lot of intermediate steps that we still don't understand. And so that's why I chose here was the track record as well as the research program. One of the great things I think about veterinary medicine in graduate school and pathology is that there are still so many unknown questions out there that don't require huge technologies to answer. Like, we ask basic questions. We do basic pathogenesis research in CWD. How is this particular protein shed in the environment? So we do a lot of good basic animal model stuff. And so there have been moments in my graduate program where you sort of, looking through a microscope and you find something and you go, well, I don't think anyone's ever seen this before. I mean, it's pretty cool to be, they're not huge, groundbreaking discoveries, but all of us in the lab have those moments where it's like, I don't think anyone's ever seen this before. And so that's the cool part is for the grind that's involved. There are moments where you realize that you are the first person to see something. The ability to literally just find something and go, I'm going to pursue this a little bit more, and you can sort of slowly walk down a path. And so we're given a fair amount of freedom here to do that, and that's just priceless. That's fantastic. I mean, I think that's what makes a good scientist, as we're all training to be, is the ability to identify something and then follow it up logically. And so we're supported here to do that. I can't imagine it being better anywhere else. It's pretty great here in terms of what they do. So yeah.